PiuAlbum settings. Choose an album to get started. Click on PiuAlbum settings, and then you can proceed with the specific configurations. Click on Basic Info. Here, you can choose whether to display the album title, details, and stats, and you can also modify the title and details. There are two stats methods, +1 for each photo visit or +1 for each album visit. Then, you could choose a photo to be the album cover. Click on Privacy. You can set a password for the album and choose to automatically hide faces to better protect your privacy. Click on Photo Categories. Here you can adjust the category style and edit category name, members only. Click on Banner. Whether to display the banner is up to you. You can also upload images to customize the banner, but you can only set a maximum of 5 images. Click on Landing Page. Show or hide it. You can also upload an images to customize the landing page.